Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone or iPad device. So here, first of all, you will have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we have to open setting. Then first of all, you have to make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, here we have to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here we have to turn off mobile data and turn it on again. After that, here we have to scroll down, then tap on general. Then here we have to scroll down, then tap on date and time, and make sure that your iPhone date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here. Then after that, go back, and here we have to again open setting, then tap on general. Then here we have to tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then here we have to disconnect with VPN. And after that, open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here we have to in search bar search for Apple developer app. Then after that, here we have to download this app on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here we have to set up your Apple developer. Then here we have to sign in your Apple ID in Apple developer. Then after that, open again setting on your iPhone device. Then here we have to scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on software update, and here wait a while it's processing. Then here you will see that here the option of beta updates. Here we have to tap on this. Then here we have to turn this on from here. Then after that, when the beta iOS 18 update will be released, then that will show here. Then after that, you will be able to download and install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, you will be able to download and install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.